This is a car lift, and there's a story about how this lift came to be mine that I'll tell at some point during this video, but for now, we have a pallet jack and a very small furniture dolly, and this thing apparently weighs 1,600 pounds, so we're gonna see how that goes. Holy shit, that is shocking. It's honestly the most incredible thing in the world to me. So we have not yet broken the furniture dolly, and the stolen pallet jack seems to be working just fine. So this is sketchy, but not the same type of sketchy I expected it to be. So we've proven that this can be done. All right, so I didn't get the most impressive part of this on video because I forgot the camera, but you'll notice the 1,600 pound lift on the 35 pound weight limit furniture dolly with the stolen pallet jack and the book
borrowed
is now half in the trailer. So where we are now is that it bottomed out right there, but we got that figured out. But now the pallet jack wheels are stuck right there. All right. Some of the best inventions come from necessity. Is that what they say? Book and I just went to the office to get 2 jump boxes so that we can hook the lift to the winch and then winch it into the trailer. While we were there, we saw the Go Jacks, which are basically 4 4-wheel dollies. Now we have 1 broken Go Jack and 1 crappy Harbor Freight Go Jack, which seems like it will be. Oh, that one looks benter than when we left it. Got this guy. Just set that right at the top of my phone. So now between the 2 jump boxes, 2 broken Go Jacks, these 2 brains, I think we're onto something. And it is already half in, so I mean, we're there, halfway there. That's a good point. The more I look at this, the more absolutely ridiculous it seems, from both afar and close up. This is, again, one of the dumber things we've attempted. We're trying to figure out how to get this thing under it. I honestly think the solution is in this thing. Sliding off the deck. That's good too. Alright, so then now let's put the Go Jack under it. This is some engineering made.
It works, right?
I mean, shit, right? Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, now the winch. Step 2, the winch.
Might be able to use the.
Oh, that's not a bad idea either. Yep.
I tore up the trailer.
Yeah, tore it up good.
Well, mine's on there, so.
I said it before and I'll say it again. You need a hillbilly to do something, you ask me. So this thing weighs 1,600 pounds. We rammed it in there with the electric golf cart and seems pretty damn good. Yeah, the jacking up the trailer was definitely the linchpin of the operation. Rob is not impressed. Maybe he is impressed, I don't know. All right, that's how you get a lift into a 16-foot enclosed trailer without a forklift. So all weekend, every time I walk past this car, this mannequin inside freaks me out. So I have this egg roll. I am the funniest person I know.